Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Collagen has been gaining popularity over the years due to its many health benefits. One benefit that's been gaining attention is its role in gut health and the potential to help heal leaky gut. You've probably heard of the term leaky gut before, as it's a popular topic in the health field right now, and many people are trying to find easy ways to help heal from leaky gut. So in today's video, we will review leaky gut and collagen, as well as discuss collagen's role in helping to heal leaky gut. I'll also explain the different types of collagen and how to incorporate it into your diet. Hi, I'm Katie Bailey. I'm a registered dietitian at Fluso Nutrients, where we provide supplement education and professional quality supplement options for you to make the world of nutrition supplements a little bit easier to navigate. As always, be sure to check with your main nutrition literate healthcare professional before starting anything new, as we can't know your full medical history to provide a personal recommendation. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. Leaky gut, or intestinal permeability, is a condition where the lining of the small intestine is damaged or leaky. In a healthy gut, the lining of the intestinal wall is a tight barrier that only allows water and essential nutrients to enter into the bloodstream. When the gut is leaky, that barrier starts to loosen and there are gaps that form, allowing unwanted particles like undigested food, toxins, bacteria, and viruses to cross into the bloodstream. The immune system then marks these particles as foreign invaders and starts attacking them, creating an immune response and then creating a bunch of different symptoms associated with that. Leaky gut has been associated with many different health conditions, including chronic inflammatory diseases like celiac and Crohn's, autoimmune diseases, mood disorders, and food sensitivities. Now, there are many potential root causes for leaky gut. These include things like poor diet, inflammation, infections, toxins, gut dysbiosis, and stress. Excessive use of medications like NSAIDs, ibuprofen for example, can cause gut inflammation and damage the intestinal lining. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, which then weakens the immune system. It causes inflammation in the gut and can help create those gaps in the barrier. The standard American diet full of highly processed and highly inflammatory foods has been shown to also cause inflammation and damage the gut lining. And then lastly, toxins can degrade the lining of the gut, as well as disrupt the beneficial bacteria in your gut, leading to dysbiosis. So you may be wondering, how do I know if I have leaky gut? Well, some symptoms that someone may experience could be gastrointestinal, like gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, and food intolerances, or it may present as more general symptoms like headaches, brain fog, depression and anxiety, ADHD, fatigue, skin issues like eczema or acne, and joint pain, just to name a few. So you can see that leaky gut can cause a lot of problems for people. So it's important to start finding ways in which we can start healing the gut lining. And collagen is a great starting point. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body, making up 25 to 35% of the total protein mass in the body. It's one of the major building blocks of our bones, skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments, but it's also found in other body parts like our eyes, our teeth, and our blood vessels. Collagen is composed of 3 polypeptide chains arranged in a triple helix, and it's this structure that gives collagen its strength. It's often referred to as the glue that holds the body together, providing that structural support and protection for the body. Collagen also supports the removal of dead cells and the growth of new cells, as well as aids in blood clotting. It's also known to support joint and skin health as well, and the body can actually produce collagen naturally, but this production decreases as we age. Stress and a poor diet lacking in certain vitamins and minerals and protein can also decrease our body's production of natural occurring collagen. So what role does collagen play in gut health? Well, collagen forms the connective tissue in the gut, helping to strengthen it and prevent it from becoming leaky. The amino acids that are found in collagen, like glycine and proline, can help rebuild the tissues and seal the gut lining. By promoting the creation of new cells and repairing the damaged cells, of the gut lining, collagen could potentially help to resolve leaky gut. Glycine, the amino acid found in collagen, can also help reduce inflammation in the gut, which will help prevent those gaps from forming. All right, so let's talk about the different types of collagen. So research has found 28 different types of collagen, but there are 3 that you're going to see the most often. Type 1 is the most common, and it makes up 90% of the collagen in the body, in the skin, the connective tissue, and the bone. Type 2 makes up the cartilage in our joints. Type 3 makes up the connective tissue in our organs and the skin. You may also see it listed as bovine collagen, which is a combination of type 1 and type 3. Marine collagen is a combination of type 1 and type 2. And chicken collagen contains type 2. Collagen supplements come in powder, liquid, and capsule form. Some contain 1 or 2 types of collagen, while others contain multiple types in one formula. At Flusso, we have options that contain multiple types in one formula, or we have the option of just the bovine collagen, and I will link those in the description box. So what type of collagen is best for gut repair? Well, the type that we use most often for this is either the bovine or the marine collagen peptides, and you will often see them sold as collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen because these forms are easy for the body to digest because they are already broken down into the smallest form. Incorporating collagen into your diet is easier than you may think. You can start by adding foods that are naturally high in collagen, things like bone broth or meats that are high in connective tissue like brisket or pot roast. You can also help your body naturally produce more collagen by adding in foods that are high in amino acids that help build collagen naturally, things like beef and chicken and fish and eggs. Although amino acids are the building blocks for collagen, there are certain cofactors that are also needed. So adding in foods that are going to be rich in vitamin C, zinc, copper, and manganese will also help with that collagen production. And supplementing with collagen is also a great option. Collagen peptide powders are generally unflavored, so they're easily added to foods and drinks without changing the flavor. You can add them to hot or cold drinks. You can add them to soups, smoothies. I like to add it to my oatmeal. And I do have some clients that even add it to their hummus or their guacamole. Okay, so how much collagen should you take per day to heal the gut? Well, how much collagen you take per day depends on what you're using it for. Research shows as little as 2.5 to 5 grams can help promote healthy skin and joints. More significant amounts like 15 grams are used more for building muscle mass and improving body composition. Although there are no specific guidelines for collagen intake, generally 1 to 3 servings a day is recommended. The grams of collagen per serving is going to vary based on the brand that you choose. Therefore, I would highly recommend working with a professional to determine what your specific dosage should be based on your needs and your situation. It's also important to remember that although collagen supplements are considered safe and most people tolerate them, there are some people who experience bloating, heartburn, or allergic reactions, which is why, once again, it's really important to work with a professional anytime you want to start anything new. A common question we see is how long does it take collagen to heal leaky gut? There is no set timetable for how long it will take to heal leaky gut. And that's because there's so many different pieces and factors involved, and everybody is unique. As a practitioner, I generally give all supplement protocols at least 3 months and then reevaluate and see what next steps are from there. Treatment for leaky gut generally has many moving parts, and therefore it would be difficult to place a timetable on how long it would take to resolve, especially because every health journey is different. In conclusion, collagen could be a beneficial supplement for those struggling with leaky gut because it plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the gut lining. While collagen is beneficial, it is not a cure-all. A healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep all play a crucial role in gut health. Collagen should be seen as part of a comprehensive approach to improving gut health, not the sole solution. If you're interested in trying collagen and incorporating into your diet, I've linked a couple quality supplements below in the description box. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more nutrition videos. Let us know in the comments your experience with collagen or leaky gut or any questions you may have. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.